Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. In order to continue, you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it and mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one to access settings at the top. Then click on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Now you can check out all of those options, and when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Then bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide where you want to apply it. I will go with home screen only, so I have to click on this option and go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!